Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Orly Hot Pursuit and Beauty Big Bang L005. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is Orly's Hot Pursuit. It's so much more neon than it looks right there. It looks kind of like a salmon color on film, but trust me, this one is really bright. It is gorgeous. I am loving the formula on this. Beautiful. I'm not even making a mess. That's how easy it is to use with that nice new brush. Now that little brush is a little wonky, but it's okay. It's got like a little piece sticking out, but I'm working with it. I'm just going to have to take some scissors and trim that. But we're going to go in for our second coat here. And look. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. And there is a swatch photo of it on its own. This is BP-L005. So it's a Born Pretty plate. I'm going to get that blue film off of there so we can get this plate cleaned up and ready to play. I am cleaning this plate with pure acetone, and I like to wipe it with a paper towel. I'll be using Nailtiques Frozen today as my stamping polish, my monocle stamper, and Nailtiques scraper. I'm just going to pick a couple of images off of this plate to use. I'm going to use this image on my thumb and my ring fingernail. I love the look of that. Oh, I'm so happy to be playing with Frozen. Can't wait to see it over other colors also. Now I did clean the stamper off on a lint roller, and that plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone again. And so we're going to go in and go ahead and pull that image again from my ring fingernail. And I'm using this plate because some of the images are a little small or short. And since I've got really short nails, I knew I would have no trouble using it. And then I liked this other swoopy looking image. Oh, loving it. So I'm going to use that image on the rest of my nails. It's just, this is some dainty stamping, but you can totally still see it, and I love that. You can still see that bright color underneath, but I still got me some little design going on. So here we go with the last one. There it is. And we're going to put that on my little pinky nail there. Ta-da! I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and pull up some of this excess that's on my skin, under my nail and all around my nail. It's coming up really well. But I am going to go with my cleanup brush because I always do. I mean, it could be where you don't even see anything and I would still go through this step just because it's habit. There we go. I'm going to use the Smudge-Free Top Coat from Nailtiques. Seal that stamping in so that I don't have to worry about it smudging. And then I'm going to use Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat. This is the one that smells like coffee. I'm going to be so sad when I'm running out of it. But I'll pick another fabulous scent to smell. So here's my photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.